Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Air Oasis iAdapt 2.0 H13 HEPA Filter Air Purifier. I've looked through the internet, checked specs, read real-world user impressions, and really taken a deep dive into how this unit performs so I can give you my honest suggestion on whether you should buy it or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. Right out of the box, the Air Oasis iAdapt 2.0 positions itself as a high-capacity whole-room air purifier, capable of circulating clean air in spaces up to 5,474 square featuring. That means this isn't just a small bedroom or office unit. It's designed for large living rooms, open floor plans, offices, apartments, or even commercial spaces where you want truly significant air cleaning coverage without needing multiple devices. First, let's talk about filtration. This model uses an H13 HEPA filter, which is capable of capturing up to 99% of airborne particles down to 0.3 microns, including dust, pollen, smoke, mold spores, and pet dander. That's excellent for allergy relief and everyday irritants. But what sets this unit apart is its claimed ability to reduce up to 99% of viruses and odors when used correctly, which is something many users online have noted as a major benefit compared to basic, HEPA-style, or budget purifiers. For anyone concerned about overall health or seasonal allergens, that level of filtration really helps make a noticeable difference in indoor air quality. A standout feature here is the iAdapt 2.0 Smart Air Quality System. Instead of just running at full blast all the time, the purifier uses built-in sensors to monitor your air in real time, then automatically adjusts fan speed based on current conditions. So when the air gets dirtier, it ramps up. When air quality is good, it runs quieter and more efficiently. That's both energy-wise and more comfortable for everyday living, especially if you're keeping this in a space where family members sleep or work. Another thing people online keep pointing out is how quiet this unit is. One of the downsides of many heavy-duty purifiers is noise at higher fan speeds. With the iAdapt unit, the motor and fan are engineered to run whisper quiet even when cleaning large volumes of air, which makes it suitable for living rooms, bedrooms, nurseries, or open plan spaces without distraction. Connectivity and ease of use are modern too. This purifier is Wi-Fi compatible, meaning you can connect it to a phone app or smart home ecosystem if supported, so you can monitor air quality, change settings, schedule cleanings, and check filter status remotely. That level of smart control is especially nice if you want to automate clean air cycles or check performance while you're away from home. In everyday use, the iAdapt 2.0 performs very well. You'll notice a reduction in visible dust buildup, less lingering cooking odors, and many people report fewer allergy symptoms in the room it's running in, especially during pollen season or periods of heavy indoor activity. When paired with a large living space, the unit still manages to clear the air efficiently, which is exactly what you want from a high-coverage air purifier. Of course, no air purifier is perfect for every situation. While HEPA filtration and reactive air quality monitoring handle particles and many airborne contaminants extremely well, standard HEPA filters aren't designed to remove all gases or some chemical fumes. For those, you'd look for additional carbon or specialized filters. And filter replacements are an ongoing cost to keep it performing at peak efficiency, especially in dusty or high-traffic environments. So the big question, should you buy it? After reviewing performance, specs, real-world feedback, and overall value, here's my honest suggestion. Yes, if you want a powerful, smart, large-room air purifier that uses true H13 HEPA filtration and adaptive sensing to reduce viruses, dust, smoke, pollen, and odors across up to 5,474 square feet, the Air Oasis iAdapt 2.0 is a very solid buy. Its whisper-quiet operation, automated air quality response, and Wi-Fi connectivity make it a great fit for living rooms, open floor plans, and spaces where both health and convenience matter. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest product breakdowns, and let me know in the comments what you want us to review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.